He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, today we're going to be doing a little experimentation, okay? I didn't go on the internet to look for any notes on this, and I didn't see this in any cookbook. I just wanted to try something new, try something different, or something I had never tried before. So what I have here in this container here is 2 small pork tenderloins that have been pickling, that's right, pickling in actual pickle juice for the last 48 hours, okay? So I wanted to see if it's going to act kind of like a brine. I wanted to see if it was going to, just pickle the pork, and then we're going to put some seasonings on it, and we're going to see exactly how it comes out. I've never done this before. Don't know if it's going to be a failure or a success, but we're going to go ahead and see what we're going to come out with here. So the spices that we're going to be using, since we got 2 pork tenderloins, we're going to be using a couple spices from the guys from the Spice House out in Chicago, okay? This is Gateway to the North. This is a fantastic rub. And we're also going to be using their Bronzeville rib rub, okay? Both of these are fantastic rubs. The Gateway to the North has kind of a garlicky sweet element to it. And the Bronzeville rub is just fantastic, okay? So we're going to go ahead and do a short prep work on this. We're going to be cooking these bad boys out on the Tec 680 today, and I'm going to be shooting for an internal temperature of 145 degrees. So hey, hang around, watch us do the short prep work, and we'll see exactly how our experimentation comes out. All right, guys, so let's see what we got here. We're finished with our cook. We got them up to 145 degrees internal temperature, and we're going to go ahead and taste these and see how they taste. Okay, so we cooked these on the Tec 680 at 225 degrees with the extreme smoke function turned on. See if we can get a little extra smoke flavor. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. So here's our tenderloins, and they have been resting for about 20 minutes. And so we're going to go ahead and cut into these and see what these look like, okay? So it's juicy, very juicy. Got some nice color to it too. All right, so this is the one that I'm slicing right now. This is the one with the Bronzeville, okay? And this one here is the one with the Gateway to the North rub, okay? It's very juicy. All right, so time for a little taste test. All right, so like I said, I've never had any pork that's been pickled in pickle juice. So this will be a first time for me, and we'll see exactly how well this comes out. So it's very tender. It smells very good. I can smell a little bit of the pickle juice though. All right, let's taste it. This is the Gateway to the North. It's not bad. I mean, I might have marinated just a little too long because it tastes like pickle juice. The Gateway to the North seasoning added some a little sweetness to it, a little garlicky flavor to it. But the pickle and the vinegar from the pickle juice is very pronounced. Maybe next time I'll only marinate it for 24 hours. Sorry, for 24 hours instead of 48 hours. So let's go ahead and try the Bronzeville rib rub. Okay, this smells a little bit different. Okay, let's go ahead and have a taste. Now that one is a little bit better. The rib rub on this one here added a little peppery, a little heat to this, to the pickle juice flavoring. And the pickle juice in this one is just slightly less than the other one, but the vinegary taste of the pickle is there nonetheless. But it's not bad. It just takes some tweaking, and I think this will make a pretty good marinade. So, had never used pickle juice before, like I said. Okay, so, well, that's all we have time for. Hey, if you're interested in checking out the Gateway of the North Spice or the Bronzeville Rib Rub Spice, check out the guys at the Spice House in Chicago. I'll put a link to their website at the bottom of the screen here and in the description block, okay? Also, if you're interested in a Tec Grill, hey, check out the guys at rectecgrills.com. They got some great new smokers that came out this year. I'll put a link for them down in the description block also. And if you're interested in checking out or purchasing anything that we've used in any of our videos, we have a little Amazon web page. So if you're interested in checking out some of the stuff that we use and interested in purchasing it, hey, check it out. I'll put the link to that down in the description block also. Well, that's all we have time for today. And like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. And if it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. This is really not too bad. Make some pretty good tacos. Hey, see you guys around the smoker. Hey guys, hey, thanks for watching and thanks for all your support. Hey, if you want to see more Bad Beats Barbecue videos, hey, click one of the 2 links here on the screen. Hey, and as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoke.